I got another one for you. This one is for my hustlers who don't mind a little elbow grease. So if you can bang a hammer, mount a TV, or make an area extra clean, then check out this hustle. Hi, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready? Hit it! You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. Number 22. It's called Handy. They are the easy, reliable way to take care of clients' homes. You'll be one of their professionals, especially if you can complete odd jobs in your area. As for odd jobs, you can clean things like houses, apartments, and offices. You can also do installations such as TV mounting and ceiling fans. They even welcome plumbers, electricians, and moving people. If work in the great outdoors is more your thing, they want you too. One of the best parts of Handy is that people who work under Handy also work with Angie. You know Angie, as in Angie's List, that trustworthy company who has been around since 1995 and knows the best local services from plumbers to painters and shares honest reviews to help people make the right choice. To join Handy, you just need to have paid experience in cleaning or handiwork, be authorized to work in the country you are applying to work in, and be able to supply excellent customer service skills. It's available in many major U.S. cities. You could be handy as well in Canada and the UK. Now, as for shmoney, Handy said that you can earn up to $22 per hour as a cleaner or $45 per hour as a handyman. Top Handy pros earn more than $1,000 per week on the platform. Now that's handy. With Handy, you can make great pay with the opportunity for bonuses and tips on a job well done. You can also choose when you want to work and how much. Build a full schedule of your customers or simply add a few jobs on the side. No more tracking down your customers for payments. Your payments are a direct deposit into your bank account soon after the job is complete. That sounds like a good reason to be handy to me. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try Handy. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.